Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to Maths lecture, Concept of Ones and Tens. Countdown, page 17. Today, we are going to learn about the concept of ones and tens. Dear students, ones mean single units. In numbers, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They all are ones. Ones mean single item, single thing. So from 1 to 9 we call them ones. Here an example of five boxes, 5 items. So we can say that this is ones. 5 is ones. Now tens. Tens mean group of 10. When we have 10 collective things, we call it tens. If you have 10 pencils together, we call it tens. In the counting, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. They all are called tens. Now come to the next page, page number 17. Kiki is picking apples from a tree. He has 9 apples or 9 ones. So the 9 apples, the 9 items are called ones. He finds one more on the ground. Now he has 10 apples. So it makes tens now. Write the numbers in tens and ones. So we can say 10 is 1 10, 20 is 2 tens, 30 is 3 tens, 40 is 4 tens, 50 is 5 tens. So we have to write 31 in tens and ones boxes. So let's write 1 in ones box and 3 in tens box. 6 in ones box, 4 in tens box. So the two examples are here for you. Now I hope you can do rest of all. Take care of yourself and do it. Hurry up. Good job. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.